So we're in Taipa. This is called Rua de Évora, and we're gonna walk straight down that way. Gonna go by Flower City, a grocery store, a couple grocery stores, a lot of eyeglass shops, different stuff like that. It's kind of retail with a ton of apartment buildings, as you can see that we're up here. And then we come out to Avenue de Dr. Sun Yat-sen over here, and they're building more tall buildings here, as you can see the scaffolding. And then that goes down towards the Cotai Strip, the casinos and such, and you can also see a mountain right there. Has some really amazing views from that area. But what we're gonna do is go directly down Evora Street, kind of goes through the Taipa Centro downtown. So let's do that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, Rua de Évora. So we could actually go on either side of the street, but I think I'm going to stay on this side because it's nice and shady. But yeah, you can also see all these tall buildings everywhere, so you just kind of like a little bit of a canyon. This street is kind of nice wide sidewalks, so it's actually quite walkable, and so actually it's like comfortable to walk it because it's you got this canyon and you got the density which brings in all the shops, but you also have these fairly wide sidewalks, so I never feel like I'm trying to get around anybody. Let's see what the shops are on this side. There's a beauty shop, another beauty shop, another beauty shop. Yeah, several beauty shops on the other side. I think I skipped a few, but I just look back. There's like Pet Pat, real estate, 7-Eleven, and then this particular one, this is an apartment, and I'll often see it has a lot of kind of interesting stuff out here, like a rock garden kind of thing. So we're gonna keep on going down. Let me see. We got some restaurant. I think that one's closed, but it's like a Japanese restaurant. The Japanese restaurants are closed right now because of they're not closed, but their business went down significantly recently. Bank of China to the left. So it's end of late September right now. Basically what happened is that there's some news stories about a nuclear reactor in Japan and something about it leaking into the water, and there's some kind of feeling that maybe all Japanese food is contaminated because of it. I don't know if they get the fish from Japan or what, but that's kind of the fear. So you're kind of in this, down that way is Taipa Central Park, all the way down that way. And that one goes down the casino, so you can see Morpheus, City of Dreams casinos. They're directly down that direction. And here's another Japanese, kingship Japanese cuisine. I wonder how that's being affected these days. Watches, let me see, this one is Ichiban, so this is another Japanese one. Yeah, I've heard a lot of them are I haven't been watching this story, so I don't really know exactly what it's all about, but I know that there's a reaction to it here. Here's another Japanese one here too. And then Flower City is in here. Vegetarian restaurant. Some flower shops in here as well. There's one there. I think that one's a new one. Spicy food. There's a flower shop there, another flower shop there, and San Mui supermarket as well. The Koi has what is it called? They have milk tea. Very popular in Macau. We're going to continue down Évora. It's about 12 noon. It's on a Friday afternoon. Okay. So there's a few banks that we've walked by. There's Macau Chinese Bank. There's Link Bank, Bank of China. We've walked past that one. There's BCM Bank. So all your banking things are right in this area as well. And I think I'm gonna walk on the other side because of the shade. Flower City. In there they have, I would walk over there, but it's a little hot. Over there they have turtles, goldfish, a bunch of kiosks to hang out, exercise equipment. And actually when you walk around here in the evening, it has a different feel. Because there's a nice grocery store right here. So in the evening there'll be a lot of people that will come to this supermarket called Parking Shop. So you'll see a lot of expats and foreigners, locals, of course, everybody. But as far as Taipa goes, I think it's one of the better big shops to go find some food, groceries that have a little bit of a foreign nature to them. So let's go this way, and then there's the parking shop right over there. There's also a Portuguese bakery right here as well. And the Portuguese bakery is very popular with Portuguese and lots of people, foreign community in particular. So yeah, the Portuguese bakery has some nice quality to it. And they also have a deal where they I think it's at 7 o'clock or something like that, where everything that they made that day is half off. So people can get a discount price at that time. Alright, so we're going to go a little bit, we're almost at the end of our street here. I need to go to 7-Eleven. Need to do a few things. But the end of our street would be right over there, very close to here. Right where that little, right there's the end of it. So because of that, I'm gonna end it a little bit early. I'm gonna end it right here actually. So we have a nice corner. So that's Évora right there, and then you can see some of the tall buildings at Taipa Centro as well. So let's end this one. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.